ombong menggerang rantau Budal mandang nyusah Kuyo gundul kesana kesering ngampet kendul Gendruwo tela-telo tampak lo yo Serangkau jalannya miring-miring Edo yang belum selesai menaku nong Cino Ropak moyo terguling ke Bengawan Solo Tengah irama alunan nong Cino.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali Fatur Rahman. Okay, let's get straight to the material. Volleyball. There are four basic techniques in servicing, passing, blocking, and smash. Number 1, service ball. Stand with left foot forward, right foot in back. The ball is held by the left and attacking the ball as high as the shoulder at the same time as the right arm swim to the back, then beat the ball with the right hand. Number 2, service atas. The top service is done by bouncing the ball up, then hitting it with the palm of the hand until the ball touches the net and enters the opponent's territory. The position of the ball on the upper surfacing is above the head before it breaks head. Passing ball. Bottom passing is indispensable when the ball is blown. How to do it can be with one hand or two hands. Terrorist the to the net. Passing on one hand is carried out when the player is in a difficult position of the ball away from the player, or a reflect receiver sudden attack. Passing atas. The usual top passing is used when the ball is above. In general, this passing is intended give a sweet better casting who will do smash to the opposing area. How to do this type of passing is to use both hands. Number 5, the blocking. The blocking technique is the fist and sword. Not only that, this technique can also be used to restore the opponent's attacks to backfire for them surface. When the ball smashed from your opponent hits the blocking from your team, it will bounce toward their own defense. Smash is a technique used to attack. Often, smash is regarded as the defining quality of time attacks. Because of this technique greatly need a sharp killing instinct. Not only that, this technique requires concentration, stigmatization, and strength. Grenades want to do smash, you need to run, jump strongly, hit the ball, and do not forget to land well. This way is almost similar to jumping service. For the audience, the occurrence of smash is the most long awaited moment. Thank you guys.